This weekend, we are in LA, the first weekend of June 2026. There are 9 open houses across Beverly Hills and Bel Air, and at least one of them is lying to you about how long it's been for sale. Here's the trick. When a luxury home won't move, the seller rarely just cuts the price. They cancel the listing, wait a beat, and put it right back up looking brand new. The days on market clock resets to 0, the real estate equivalent of a fresh haircut before the high school reunion. A home that's quietly failed to sell for 2 years lands on your screen looking fresh off the press. So we did the work the listings won't. We pulled the real history on all 9 of these homes, every relist, every price cut, back to 2023, and put a call on record for each before we walk a single door. Today, the predictions. This weekend, we walk every one of them and tell you who was right. Then we track all 9 until they sell, so you find out right here what each one actually closed for. And stick around to the end, because the strangest home on this list sat for 3 years, and instead of cutting the price, the seller raised it. We'll finish there. First, the ones that are actually new. First, the real rookies. 3 homes genuinely new. No history, no resets, no games. 1754 Clearview, just under $12 million, listed days ago. A 2021 contemporary, nearly 7,000 square feet, a 180-degree canyon to ocean view, and at about $1,760 a foot, the cheapest per foot of the new 3. It's selling you nothing to fix. Our call? The price is honest. The view is the gamble. We're walking in to find out if that ocean is real or a clear day rumor. 9575 Lime Orchard, 8.5, 3 days new, behind the gates of the Hidden Valley Enclave. The pitch is the guard gate and a near acre with a pool. But it's a 1960 house at $1,900 a foot, and the listing makes a real point of telling you the bathrooms were just redone. Our call? When a listing leads with the bathrooms, ask about everything it isn't mentioning. 2373 Nalin, 395, up in Upper Bel Air, about 3 weeks in. This is the family play. Renovated, pool, solar, walking distance to Roscomare Road Elementary. Our call? The school district is doing the selling here. We're checking whether newly renovated goes deeper than the paint. Now it gets interesting. 2 homes that came out recently and are already blinking. 2060 North Beverly, just under $3 million, listed in April and already cut from 3199. The hook is Pedigree, a designer remodel that made a magazine. The catch? That remodel is from 2009. Not old enough to be historic, just old enough to be unfashionable. Our call? Design pedigree can quietly mean dated but photogenic, and the market already pushed back on the price once. 1035 Oletha, 1589. And here's where the real history starts to bite. It looks recent. The truth? It's been trying since October. 2 relists, 3 separate price cuts, down 13%. It's the Mahler Adams house, an architectural 2-bedroom. Our call? Significant architecture sells to a very narrow buyer, and this one is still out there hunting for them. And that is exactly why this channel is worth a subscribe. This weekend, we walk all 9 and grade every single call, green or red, on screen. Then we track them until they close, so you find out what they actually sold for. That whole payoff only lives here. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you'd rather see these in time to walk them yourself, every week we handpick the open houses worth your weekend across Miami, the San Francisco Bay Area, and right here in LA. Join the notification list at bigdatarealty.com, and you'll have our picks the day before the weekend, in time to go see the property for yourself. Now, the long game. The 3 homes that have been fighting the market the longest. The numbers are brutal. 2559 Hutton, just under $2 million. The listing won't say it. 18 months in, 3 relists, 4 price cuts, down from 2395, and it lists no square footage at all. Our call? After 4 cuts and a missing number, this isn't a house sale anymore. It's a land sale wearing a house. 11037 Anzio, the Anzio estate, 975. 8 beds, 2.5 acres, tennis court, theater, wine cellar. Sounds like a trophy. The reality, It opened at 12.5 in 2024, got cut 22%, nearly $3 million gone, and it's still sitting there. Our call? At $940 a foot, the price finally looks real. The walkthrough is a hunt for whatever scared everyone off at 12.5. 10509 Vestone, just under 12 million, and this is the relist champion. 5 relists since 2024. 5. The listing opens literally with the words incredible value, which on a $12 million estate is a bit like a Rolls Royce with a coupon tucked under the wiper. Our call? When a home insists it's a deal 5 listings in a row, the market has quietly disagreed. So here's my question for you. Of those 3, Hutton, Anzio, Vestone, which one sells first? And when it goes, does it actually sell or quietly get pulled again? Put your pick in the comments and call it with us. We're tracking all 3, and we'll come back to see who was right. And now, the one I promised you. 508 North Canon, 13.9. The only home today that's actually inside the Beverly Hills Flats. One of the largest lots in the neighborhood, a guest house, a sports court, top of our entire list at over $2,200 a foot. Now watch this. It's been trying to sell since February 2023. 3 years, 3 relists. Every other long sitter on this list cut their price. This one raised it from 11.5 up to 13.9, up 21%, while nobody was buying. Our call? That's either the most confident seller in Beverly Hills or a very expensive game of chicken with the market. The walkthrough tells us which. So there they are, 9 calls on the record. This weekend we walk every door and grade them. Then we keep watching all 9 until they close and bring you the full scorecard. Who sold, for how much, and who's still sitting. And here's the thing. What you just watched is the free version of what we do. Before our clients ever write an offer, this is the read we run for them, privately, line by line. So if you're actually buying or selling at this level, reach out at bigdatarealty.com. Start with our How BDR Works video, and you'll see exactly how it works. And if you're just here for the next teardown, tell us in the comments which neighborhood we should recon next.